very early. It's currently 3 o'clock in the morning here, coming from Gatwick Airport North Terminal. Just the one bag to check in this morning. Let's go check it in. Currently in the air bridge going across to the other side of South Terminal, as you can see. I'd love to have been able to shout out the window, but it's extremely dark for just gone 5:30 in the morning. I guess it is September now. We're definitely heading towards the winter. We've got a TUI Dreamliner just there. But that's what will be taking me to the Dominican Republic next week. We're going to Punta Cana. Not to give too much away. Yeah, I do apologise. I'm probably not giving off too much energy at the moment. I really just didn't sleep well last night. And obviously being here this morning at Gatwick, ready to board a flight to Marrakech. I am so excited. I just haven't got the energy in me at the moment to show that. This morning we're going to be flying on one of these, an EasyJet A319. Flight time I believe is going to be around the 3-hour mark, obviously heading over Portugal and yeah, dropping down into Morocco for about 10 o'clock this morning. Bit of a scenario upon arrival into Marrakech this morning. I say this morning, it's now the afternoon. We had a 2-hour wait in the passport control, which was frustrating, but it's something I was warned about, so I guess it's quite common here. Anyhow, I've just contacted the taxi driver. We've got a private transfer to the hotel, and yeah, then we'll be on our way to the Club Medina here in Marrakech. And of course, I'm excited to show you all around and yeah, have a great time. I must say, I love the design on the ceiling here at Marrakech Airport. It's obviously very, very new, you can tell. It's just a lovely airport. You can see how shiny the floor is. I probably wouldn't eat my dinner off the floor, but a few more polishes and I wouldn't be far off. Today's travel vlog's been a little bit different, I know. I've been getting very, very used to going through security, going getting food, and I guess just doing the normal things you do at an airport and filming it all. Today, as I mentioned, I had no sleep last night. I just was not in the mood to make any videos this morning. I was literally falling asleep in departures, so I hope you can understand. But that being said, I am flying home on Friday and I'd really like to show around this airport and how this airport operates, if I'm allowed to anyway. I guess I'll keep my eye out for any signs that say I can't record, but as long as I can, I definitely will. After an extremely long 4-hour nap this afternoon, I have finally woken up. My brother is in the shower. I have just showered as well. Feel like I'm ready for breakfast, but of course we're going to be heading out for dinner. It's just gone, I've got my watch on, but it's just gone 7 o'clock. And I wanted to show you out here the view that we've got. It is extremely hot out here. It's about 35 degrees still. But yeah, I just want to quickly come in here and show the room. We've got 2 single beds that have been pushed together, which is good. We've got mirror, we've got all this stuff here. We've got a fridge which has got a couple of drinks in, which is quite nice. So you've got all of our stuff in there. You come through here, we've got all our clothing space. That there is where the shower is, and that there is where the toilet is as well. It's a separate room, which is a bit strange. In terms of experience, I'd have to label today as satisfactory. Unfortunately, upon arrival into the resort, we were told that check-in wasn't until 3 p.m. Of course, that made the day very awkward. Having not slept, I was extremely tired. I just wanted to come and have a nap, but we couldn't. We had to hang around. We had to sit in the lobby, and yeah, of course, that was a bit frustrating. It's not something I've ever seen before. That being said, all I've ever done is be honest with you all. I've always mentioned when something hasn't gone quite to plan, and upon arrival into our room there were a few problems, including no towels. I had to go to reception to get some towels so that we could have a shower, which that's just not really very good, is it? If we're honest, you'd probably expect there to be towels in your 4-star all-inclusive hotel room, but look, they even gave us a complimentary bottle of water, I guess to make up for it. So look, not all is bad, but I guess coming to Morocco is a risk for me. I've never been here before. I have been to North Africa before. Of course, I've been to Egypt, and that experience was phenomenal. In terms of the rest of today's video, there's not a whole lot that we're getting up to. We're going to go for dinner, of course. That's going to be about it, and then I think we're probably just going to head back to bed. Neither myself or my brother got much sleep last night. As I mentioned, we literally left the house at 2:45 this morning. So anyhow, I'm going to go get some dinner. I really hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.